Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Donny Hathaway. We are going to react to the song Someday We'll Be Free. This is requested by our patron CJ. This is our first time single take honest reaction to Someday We Will Be Free. Let's get started with our reaction.
Just don't let the spin get you down. Things are moving fast. Hold on tight and you will last. Keep yourself your manly pride. Get yourself in gear. Keep your stride. Never mind your fears. Brighter days will soon be here. Keep growing, growing on. Take it from me, someday we'll all be free. Hey, just wait and see, someday we'll all be free, yeah.
Wise words by the artist. Take it, someday we'll all be free.
Yes.
I hope that freedom happened. While we are listening to songs today, almost all of them are by artists from the African American community. That itself proves that, and it has been for quite a while now on our channel as well as on YouTube, that artists from the African American community dominate not just the charts but dominate music that is being played in the mass media.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, based on that, I think they are more than free. You know, they clearly dominate all the other races out there, all the other communities out there, religions, call it what you will. They dominate them all, whether by as far as the charts are concerned, awards are concerned, and even sales, if I'm not mistaken, are concerned. So you've had so many black artists who dominate the music industry, so many black athletes who dominate the sports industry.
Yeah.
So yeah, the freedom is more or less earned in at least certain arenas. But what about the other communities? There's so many other communities in America who are treated pretty poorly by the government as well as the races that dominate over there. I feel really sorry and sad for them right now. What about their freedom? Don't they deserve the freedom? They earn their way to wherever they are living in the US of A. So it's sad that it's a pretty racist nation still, and while we focus only on one community and their problems right now, it's sad to see the 20 odd communities which also form a vital portion of the population and do very well also. If you see one community, for example, the Indian community, they are the most well-off community and the most successful community in the whole of America. So that says a lot for their contribution to the nation. America would be drastically wounded if the Indian Americans weren't part of the nation. So yeah, while we talk about one community being free, it's sad that many other communities are still not free completely in the US, and at least they don't cry about it all the time. That's what I appreciate. Maybe they should start crying. They should start going out on the streets, breaking shops, looting stores, being violent all the time. Maybe that will work. Who knows? It certainly seems to be working for this community.
Oh, Donny Hathaway. I like the lines, the way it was written, but also the way it was sung. I felt it was not impactful. At least for me, if it was sung for me, I was in the position of a receiver like that. It would not help me much, or it would not really do what it was meant to do by the way the lyrics were written. So someday we will be free, but it does not give that kind of spirit. It does not give that kind of motivation, power, the spirit that you need to get from a song like this. So for me, it was a very pale, dull kind of rendition of whatever was meant to be done. It did not work. Almost all cultures, there's these kind of motivational songs, and there is a different way of making. Different cultures have it differently. In Africa also, there are dances, there is music that is quite stirring for people to actually come out and fight for their rights and for their emancipation. So I'm not too sure how it was made was actually helpful, or it actually did the job what it was meant to do. May have worked, I don't know, I'm not speaking for all, but it didn't for me. And like Savio said, maybe the emancipation has happened if enough. Maybe these songs are from the time when things were still not as well off or as good. And also all the other things that you said, sometimes what happens psychologically, it is once bullied, always a victim kind of a thing. So those who have been badly ill-treated, badly treated, bullied for a prolonged period of time, that fear always remains at the back of your mind. No matter how high you go, that fear is always there, that as if it's again going to happen, or maybe it's happening, maybe there is a ploy going on, there is a plan going on, there is something brewing up. So you can't help it. Only time can heal certain things.
I think with particular communities, including this one, it's very easy to play the victim card. They love playing the victim card because that benefits them. It benefits all of them, as we can clearly see right now. So they love playing the victim card. It's more than anything, it's the victim card that is being played at every step of the way, and making the most of it. That's all I can say.
Take it from me. Like he said, take it from me. Being a victim does not really help you, because you need to be in commanding position. Being a victim will always keep you a victim.
Yeah,
That is
being
how
a
it is.
victim shows how loose your ethics and morals are at the end of the day.
Because here in India there is a term called Bechara, and no one likes to be Mr. Bechara because no one wants sympathies
The
of other
weakling.
people. Yeah, the Bechara is the weakling, and if you are a weakling all your life and all your entire time, you're not. Perhaps you're not going to make anything. No difference or significant difference. So only when you are feeling confident enough and you are in the driving position is when you can make changes. So always thinking that you need sympathy, it certainly does not work. It backfires.
One thing worse
It
than
may
being,
allay your feelings.
for me, one thing worse than being a weakling or a victim is pretending to be a victim or a weakling. That is the worst thing a human being can do. One of the worst things, by far, in my humble opinion. That's it for this reaction video.